Hi children, today we are going to learn about how to compare fractions. We know how to compare numbers, right? See here, suppose 5 and 12 is there. How to compare these two numbers? Here 5 is the smaller number, 12 is the bigger number, right? So here we can say 5 is smaller than 12, right? Suppose here 26 is there and this side 20 is there. Okay, how to compare these numbers? Tell me. Here tens place values are same, right? Both are 2-digit numbers and tens place values are same. Okay, then compare the ones place values. Here 6 is there and this side 0 is there. Here 6 is a greater number, so 26 is greater than 20. Yes, we can compare these numbers very easily. But what about fractions? See here, fill in the boxes by choosing the appropriate symbol of less than or greater than. Right? Here 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. Which is a big fraction here? Can you tell anyone? Which is a big fraction? We don't know exactly. So today I will teach this topic in easy way. Okay? See here, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. So we don't know which symbol comes here, less than or greater than. So what we have to do? Just cross multiply. Cross multiply these fractions. Multiply numerator, first numerator with second denominator, and multiply first denominator with second numerator. Right? Okay, this is the numerator. Upside one is called a numerator, no? And downside one is called denominator. Right? Now multiply. Cross multiply means first numerator. Okay, whatever the numerator is there in the first fraction, multiply that numerator with second denominator. Okay, so that is 5 into 7. 5 multiply 7. Okay, again here multiply this denominator, first denominator with second numerator. Okay, 7 into 4 or 4 into 7. 7 into 4 or 4 into 7. Now see, 5 sevens how much? 35. Right? 5 sevens how much? 35. 7 fours how much? 28. Now we can compare numbers easily. See here. Here 2-digit number we got, here also we got 2-digit number. Right? So compare the tens place values. Here 3 is there, here 2 is there. Which is the bigger number, tell me? Yes, 3 is the bigger number compared to 2. So total 35 is the greater number. So we can put greater than symbol. 35 is greater than 28. Okay, here greater than symbol comes now. So our answer is here greater than, 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7. Okay, 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7. Now come to this big question. 3 by 7 and 3 by 5. Okay, here also do cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication means this first numerator with second denominator multiply first denominator with first numerator. Okay, 3 into 5. 3 into 5 and here 3 into 7 or 7 into 3. Okay, 3 into 7. Here also 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. 3 into 5 or 5 into 3 will give same answer, no? So 3 into 5 and 3 into 7. Okay, 3 5s are how much? 15. 3 5s are how much? 15. 3 5s is equals to 15. Okay, and here 3 7s 21. Okay, now compare. Here 2-digit number, here also 2-digit number. So compare the tens place values. Okay, if both sides same digits numbers are there, compare the first value. Okay, here we got 2-digit number on both sides, so compare the first value, that is tens place value. Okay, here tens place value is 1, here tens place value is 2. Which is greater here? Yes, 2 is greater number. So 21 is greater number. 15 less number. So 15 is less than 21. So automatically we can say here less than symbol comes. 3 by 7 is less than 3 by 5. Okay. This fraction is less than this fraction 3 by 5. Okay. Next to C question. Here also same, cross multiply. Okay. Multiply first numerator with second denominator and first denominator with second numerator. Okay. See here 7 into 8 and 9 into 3. Okay. 7 8s 56 and 9 3s 27. Okay. Here also we got 2-digit number both sides, so compare the tens place values only. Okay. 5 and 2, compare 5 and 2. Yes, 5 is the greater number. So total 56 is greater number. So here which symbol comes? Greater than symbol. So we can say 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, 7 by 9 fraction is greater than 3 by 8. Okay, now see one more question here we have 7 by 15 and 4 by 7. Compare these two fractions. Yes, tell me all of you. Yes, 7 into 7 and this side. Yes, 15 into 4. Okay. Okay, cross multiply like this. Okay, this numerator multiply with this denominator and this denominator multiply with this numerator. Okay, so 7 sevens 49 and 15 fours 60. Okay, 49 and 60. I am writing here clearly 49 and 60. Here which is greater? Compare the tens place value, compare the first value 4 and 6. Which is greater? 6 is the greater number. So total 60 is greater. Right? So here we can say 49 is less than 60. 49 is less than 60. So here which symbol comes? Less than. Therefore we can say 7 by 15 is less than 4 by 7. Okay, it means 4 by 7 is greater than 7 by 15. Okay, yes, have you understand children? This is the way to compare fractions. Okay, just cross multiply the fractions, then we'll compare the fractions very easily. Okay, hope you understand this class children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.